Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe for chocolate mousse. This particular chocolate mousse really allows the flavor of the chocolate to come through, as it is not as heavy in cream as some other recipes. I therefore recommend to use your favorite eating chocolate for this recipe. I personally like Valrhona Ganache, so that's what I'm using today. To finish off the dessert, we will make a blueberry gel and marinate some fresh strawberries. To start the preparation of the chocolate mousse, separate some eggs. Then combine the egg yolks, the egg, sugar and water in a bowl that can be heated. Besides this egg mixture, we will also need to prepare some whipped cream and some molten chocolate. This is a very flavorful dark chocolate from Valrhona, but you can use any high quality chocolate that contains about 70% of cocoa solids. Slowly melt the chocolate. I like to do this on top of a pan of hot water, but you can also do it in the microwave. Make sure to stir regularly. After the chocolate has been fully melted, add 1/3 of the water in the recipe to it. Mix until all of the water is incorporated, then repeat twice more. By making this mixture, the chocolate will mix much more easily with the other ingredients later on. I prefer using water over cream here because it doesn't take away from the flavor of the chocolate. Whip the cold cream to soft peaks and then store at room temperature. Heat up the egg mixture to 82 to 84 degrees Celsius above a pan of hot water. This helps to thicken the egg mixture and to stabilize it so that we can whip it to a fluffy mixture. After the mixture has reached the right temperature, remove it from the heat and whip until it's lukewarm. Make sure that it's not cold when you mix it with the other ingredients. Okay, so here's a bit of a funny story. I forgot to press the record button when I was mixing all of the ingredients, but the most difficult part of the recipe has been done now. So the right way to proceed is to mix half of the cream with the chocolate mixture using a whisk, then fold in the remaining cream using a spatula, then fold in half of the egg mixture into the chocolate mix, and finally fold in the remaining egg mixture into the chocolate and fill it into some nice glass cups. The easiest way to fill the cups is by pouring over the chocolate mousse into a measuring jug first and then divide it over your glasses. Store the chocolate mousse in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to allow the chocolate mousse to set. The next part of our project will be to make the blueberry gel. To make this blueberry gel, start by transferring some washed fresh blueberries to a cooking pot and add a tiny bit of water. Then turn the heat to high. Proceed by mixing the agar-agar with the sugar and then add everything to the blueberries while mixing well. Bring this mixture up to a boil and leave the boil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour the blueberry mixture into a bowl, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate until it's completely cold. Once the mixture has completely set in the refrigerator, break it up into small pieces and mix it to a smooth gel using an immersion blender or a normal blender. Then transfer the blueberry gel to a piping bag. To finish the dessert, puree some fresh strawberries. Add a little bit of honey and vanilla extract or liquor to this puree and then mix this with some cleaned strawberries. Assemble the dessert by adding a couple of strawberries on top of the chocolate mousse. Then decorate with some small dots of blueberry gel and add some crispy chocolate pearls. Enjoy! That's going to do it for me today, guys. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Feel free to leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.